Hey, Terrence with Vapor Hona Technologies. Today we're doing machine spotlight, something new that we're going to start here. Today we're going to be talking about the VH685. This is a stainless steel unit. One thing about it is the small footprint. The footprint of the actual cabinet is 35 inches wide, 32 inches deep, and 81 inches high with the door fully opened. Now also, the water is 9.5 gallons in the actual machine. That's not counting the basins. You'll have to fill the basins up as that. Now, and also 13 pounds of abrasive. And that'll get your ratio correct with this unit. Recommended is 20 CFM at between 60 and 100 PSI. Comes with standard regulator, foot pedal control. Like I said, the closed loop. You can opt out of the closed loop system for $1,300, and then you can have a full open loop system. It comes with one 2-foot LED light bar. The unit can be 110 volt or 220 volt single phase. Now it comes with a lifetime warranty. You can do the upgrade without depreciation. And there's a couple add-ons you can do in this cabinet as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in this unit or if you have any questions, again, my name's Terrence. Please give me a call at 828-220-4934. Thanks.